In this video, we are going to learn about slab shuttering and steel reinforcement work. Centering or shuttering is the first step before slab concreting. Shuttering is done as the plan provided. Make sure that the boards are leveled or clear so that there won't be any honeycombs after the shuttering is removed. After completing the shuttering work, make sure that the boards are leveled properly. Later, chape is laid on the shuttering board. This ensures rough texture so that roof plastering is done easily without the need of hacking. Fill the gaps between the board with muddy so that there won't be any cement slurry leakage on the day of concrete. Next step is steel reinforcement. The beams reinforcement are done on the slab. The beams are placed above the slab so that the reinforcement details are checked thoroughly before the beams are lowered. Covering blocks are to be provided below the beams so that the reinforcement is not seen after the shuttering is removed, that is, after the concrete. Make sure that the binding wires are tied properly to the beam and the stirrups. As you can see here, this is the concrete covering block. Once the beam is lowered, check whether the covering blocks are placed properly, as the covering blocks may break due to the force. After the beams are lowered, slab reinforcement work is done. As you can see in the video, it is a concealed beam. These beams are provided to reduce the vibrations on the slab. As you can see here, the slab is two-way. We can identify a two-way slab as there are cranks on all the four sides of the slab. The last step before concreting is to check the level of the ply boards towards the outer boundary of the slab or the beam using a line dowry.